Hi, I'm Alexandra. Welcome back with Brave New World. Since you liked a lot my last video about what I'm packing and the luggage I'm doing for a 4 days trip, here is the occasion for me to show you what I'm gonna pack for a 5 days trip. This time the difference stays in the fact that I'm not going to explore a new city, so it's going to be less outdoor activities and more indoor activities. And I go to city in which I lived, so I know well, and I know the places where I want to go and what I want to see and eat and so on. So my program, let's say, it's kind of fixed, so it's going to be a different kind of process and different kind of clothes, of course, I'm going to bring with me. What is going to be the same? I'm going to have only one pair of shoes, but there are going to be some differences. As an example, now it's the middle of the working week, so when I arrive there, I'm going to be working from my computer, so I'm going to have to carry it on with me. This time also, I'm taking my shoes for running and my yoga mat, but let's go and see in detail what I'm going to put in my luggage. So here is what I'm taking with me. Apart from the outfit I'm wearing right now, I'm gonna have as well, same as this pair of jeans, but in olive green color. I go to visit my friend and she told me it's gonna be really cold there, so I should bring more heavy jacket and sweaters. This is what I'm bringing with me. I have this lovely sweater that is also kind of fancy and is absolutely fitting the place where I'm going. This and this big grain sweater. I know the colors was looking a little bit too romantic of all my sweaters. Everything felt for me being very soft and girly, so I decided to bring something more strong and bold, which is this black satin shirt that I made, by the way. And I absolutely like it. And I thought I might layer it with a simple top beneath, just in case. So this one is my going out and signature piece, let's say, for the travel. Also, apart from the sweaters, I think I'm gonna bring 3 t-shirts with me because yeah, to put beneath the sweater. One in plain white, my favorite from Colorful Standards. You must know already from my previous videos, I absolutely love it. Another one that you must know as well from my previous video. Another one t-shirt, I made a graphic, and as you see, it says emotional. I'm gonna bring an additional t-shirt for running. That's gonna be this one, sport bra, and my favorite pair of leggings. And also my running shoes. As last time, 5 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks. I'm gonna have 1 pair of glasses, 1 pair of sunglasses with me to work my computer, his charger, some white sheets and pen to take notes and to write, my Kindle for when I want to chill, also makeup, toothbrush, electric toothbrush and the paste, and iron for my hair. About chargers, I'm gonna have only one. I'm gonna take the charger for my Mac, and I'm gonna use it for the Mac, for my phone, and for my smartwatch. And I need to take this little piece to adjust for my smartwatch. Last but not least, I'm gonna carry my yoga mat to do some yoga and exercises. So as you can see, I bring with me not only clothes, but also some additional ones to make sport, or an example, my yoga mat, and I bring my tools for work, such as computer, charger, and so on. So it's not gonna be a trip only for visiting and sightseeing. It's gonna be mostly going to the place I love better there. I wonder if everything is gonna fit in my backpack. Well, let's see. Okay, I'm ready to go now. Yeah, I did it. If you enjoyed this video, support me with a like and leave a comment. It's gonna make me endlessly happy. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And by then, be brave, travel light with as less as possible, because then that means you have only the best and only what makes you feel good and happy.